Okay, for this exercise you need resistance band and also the stability ball. And the way you do it, you bring your stability ball next to the wall, turn around, place it underneath your sacrum, so that's your hips. Bring your feet slightly further away so that you are kind of leaning towards the back, towards the ball. Now bring your one toe towards the 1 o'clock, the other one towards the 11 o'clock. Create the tension between your both knees. Slightly bring it forward, because when we go down, we don't want your knees to pass your toes. So, and when you will go down, you will go down only for 90-degree angle for your knees, okay? And then coming up, as you come up, you will squeeze your glutes. You will push the lower back in towards this, the ball, and you will bring that pubic bone up forwards, okay? So it's nice and tightening it up. Again, inhale, belly goes relaxed, and then bring, as you exhale, tightening up your core, bring that belly upwards, inwards, around, coming up, squeeze your glutes, pubic bone is forward, lower back, pushing it backwards, okay? And again, inhale, creating the tension, exhaling, belly goes upwards, inwards, around, squeeze. All right, let's go again. Inhale, exhale, belly upwards, inwards, around. Think about rib cage, what the rib cage is doing. Is it opening or not? Close, okay? Lower back is glued, squeezing up, tightening it up. Again, inhale, exhale. Very good. Inhale, checking your knees are not passing your toes. Exhale, wrapping the baby upwards, inwards, around, squeezing it up. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Let's go. Good. Nice, 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 nice. Keep going up. Belly inwards, outwards, upwards, inwards, and around. When you will be in the last month, so 8 or 9, and bump is quite big, you might want to do it without resistance band, but really it's optional. Belly goes inwards, upwards, and up, okay? It depends if your bump is up or slightly lower position. Again, inhale, exhale, squeeze at the top. Let's go again. Inhale, exhale. Very good. Let's go for 4 more. And let's go inwards, upwards, squeeze at the top. Nice on your legs and also lower back. Remember pushing that lower back in, squeezing your glutes, pubic bone forward. So many things to remember, I know, right? Opening the jaws, we're breathing in, exhale. Lower back down. Squeezing it in. Working that belly as well as your legs out, okay? Excellent. Last 2. One more. When we go down, also don't arch, don't bring your tailbone backwards, yeah? Keep it nice and neutral for yourself. Are you ready to go down and count till from 10? Let's go. Going downwards, 90, 90, not tailbone is neutral position. Let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Coming up. Shake your legs. We'll do another round of this, okay? So, are you ready? Steady? Let's go. Slowly rolling it backwards. Hold it there. Neutral spine, neutral neck. And hold it there for 8, 7, 6, 5, and 4, 3, 2, and 1. Coming up. Beautiful. Slowly bring your feet back in. Safely come up from the floor, from the wall. And this is perfect throughout the pregnancy till the end of the, till the labor, basically. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Ciao.